Ethics, bias and challenges in AI development. Artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, has rapidly evolved into one of the most transformative technologies of the modern era, impacting a wide range of sectors including healthcare, finance, education, transportation, and entertainment. And while its benefits are undeniable, it also brings with it a complex set of ethical concerns, biases, and developmental challenges that must be carefully addressed to ensure responsible and fair usage. One of the primary ethical concerns in AI is transparency, as many advanced systems, especially those based on deep learning, operate like black boxes, making decisions without clearly explaining how those decisions were reached, which becomes particularly problematic in high-stakes areas such as medical diagnosis or criminal justice where human lives and rights are involved, and this lack of clarity directly connects to the issue of accountability, since it becomes difficult to determine who is responsible when an AI system makes an error or causes harm, whether it is the developer, the organization deploying it, or the end user, highlighting the urgent need for clear legal and ethical frameworks. Another major concern is privacy and data protection, as AI systems rely heavily on vast amounts of data, often including sensitive personal information, and without proper safeguards, this data can be misused, leaked, or exploited, making compliance with data protection regulations and ethical standards essential, while also ensuring that AI systems are designed in a human-centric way that enhances human capabilities rather than replacing or harming them, promoting inclusivity, accessibility, and fairness for all users. However, one of the most critical challenges in AI is the presence of bias, which can occur when systems produce unfair or discriminatory outcomes due to biased training data, flawed algorithms, or inappropriate deployment contexts. For example, if an AI model is trained on historical data that reflects societal inequalities, it may unintentionally reinforce those same biases, leading to issues such as discrimination in hiring processes, unfair lending decisions, or inaccuracies in facial recognition systems, particularly for underrepresented groups. And even when data is balanced, algorithmic choices and optimization goals can still introduce bias, making it essential to continuously audit and evaluate AI systems using fairness metrics, diverse datasets, and inclusive development teams to minimize these risks. Beyond ethics and bias, AI development also faces several technical and societal challenges, including the complexity and lack of interpretability of modern models, which makes it difficult for humans to understand and trust their decisions, as well as concerns about robustness and reliability, since AI systems must be able to perform consistently under changing conditions, resist adversarial attacks, and adapt to new data patterns without compromising accuracy or safety, while regulatory challenges also play a significant role, as governments and policymakers struggle to keep pace with rapid technological advancements, attempting to create regulations that protect individuals and society without stifling innovation, and at the same time, AI has a profound impact on society, particularly in terms of employment, as automation has the potential to replace certain jobs while creating new opportunities, requiring proactive efforts in reskilling, education, and workforce adaptation to ensure smooth transition. In addition to these concerns, the environmental impact of AI cannot be ignored, as training large-scale models requires significant computational power and energy consumption, contributing to carbon emissions and raising questions about sustainability, which is why there is a growing focus on developing energy-efficient algorithms, using renewable energy sources in data centers, and conducting life cycle assessments to minimize environmental harm. To address these wide-ranging challenges, several strategies have been proposed and implemented, including the development of explainable AI systems that make decision-making processes more transparent and understandable, the adoption of ethical guidelines and principles by organizations and institutions, regular auditing and monitoring of AI systems to ensure fairness and compliance, and the integration of human oversight through human-in-the-loop approaches that combine the efficiency of AI with human judgment and ethical reasoning. Moreover, AI development requires collaboration across multiple disciplines, including computer science, law, ethics, sociology, and psychology, as technical solutions alone are not sufficient to address complex societal issues, and involving experts from diverse backgrounds helps identify potential risks, ensure cultural sensitivity, and create more inclusive and socially responsible systems. Continuous learning and adaptation are also crucial, as AI systems operate in dynamic environments where data and conditions change over time, leading to phenomena such as concept drift and feedback loops that can affect performance and fairness, making it necessary to regularly update models, monitor their behavior, and refine them based on new information. Public engagement and transparency further play a vital role in building trust, as organizations must communicate openly about how AI systems work, involve stakeholders in decision-making processes, and provide clear explanations to users, empowering them to make informed choices and fostering accountability. On a global scale, ethical AI development must consider cultural differences, legal frameworks, and levels of technological access, ensuring that AI solutions are adaptable to different contexts, respect local values, and are accessible to developing regions, thereby reducing the risk of widening global inequalities. Security is another critical aspect, as AI systems can be vulnerable to manipulation, adversarial attacks, and misuse, requiring robust safeguards to protect data integrity and prevent harmful applications such as deepfakes or unauthorized surveillance. Additionally, the psychological and social impacts of AI should not be overlooked, as algorithms that drive content recommendations can influence public opinion, shape behavior, and even affect mental health, raising concerns about misinformation, echo chambers, and overdependence on automated systems, which highlights the importance of designing AI in a way that supports human well-being and critical thinking. Autonomous systems, such as self-driving cars and intelligent robots, introduce further ethical dilemmas, particularly in situations where machines must make decisions involving potential harm, emphasizing the need for clearly defined moral guidelines and accountability structures before widespread deployment. In the long term, AI has the potential to reshape society in profound ways, influencing economic structures, power dynamics, and global relationships, which makes it essential to engage in ethical foresight, scenario planning, and policy development to anticipate and mitigate potential risks while maximizing benefits. Establishing standards and certifications can also help build trust by ensuring that AI systems meet defined benchmarks for safety, fairness, and performance, while promoting cultural and linguistic sensitivity ensures that AI systems can effectively serve diverse populations without causing misunderstanding or exclusion. Finally, encouraging AI literacy among the general public is crucial, as it empowers individuals to understand, question, and responsibly use AI technologies, enabling them to participate in discussions about its governance and impact, and ultimately, while AI offers immense opportunities for innovation and progress, it also presents significant ethical, social, and technical challenges that require careful consideration, continuous effort, and collaborative action, shifting the focus from simply building advanced technologies to ensuring that they are developed and used in ways that are fair, transparent, inclusive, and aligned with human values, so that AI can truly serve as a force for good in society.